Hi, I'm Michael,
Andre,
and welcome to
Divas
Divas Realms
Realms.
Card
Toys,
and
Travel!
Travel.
Travel.
At
No.
nagbubukas tayo ngayon ng Phantasmal
Phantasmal
Flame.
Flame.
Maraming salamat kay Sir Ace for buying us a piece of some Pokemon packs from 7-Eleven. Kasi nung ako ay naghahanap, wala akong nakita. But now, because binigyan tayo at magkakaroon pa tayo dahil sa mga kaibigan natin sa Pokemon community, ay nakabili tayo ng iba pang mga packs na pick up natin tomorrow. But for now, ito muna ang bubuksan natin, dalawang
should I get
Phantasmal Flame. At syempre, nandito ang ating Charizard X.
It's like,
At,
I want this Charizard. Boom, I got it.
and
It's
syempre,
right
ang
here.
ating lucky
Feeling lucky cat.
Lucky Cat. Tingnan natin kung totoong lucky. So, itong packs lang napili namin. So, Andre, sino na?
Me.
Okay.
Like always. I'll always win. I'm gonna rub it. Bing, 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 bing.
Sige, check natin. Oh no, hindi ka na marunong magbukas.
Alam ko pa, hindi lang tayo
Lagyan
bumubo.
natin dito. Ano na? Anong oras na? Anytime, boy. At meron kaming usapan, pag hindi siya behave at di maganda grades niya, tigil siya sa Pokemon at sa akin lahat mapupunta.
Regular dog
Hindi
rule.
nakikita, hindi ka nakikita.
Regular dog rule.
Okay,
Energy.
guess the energy. Ako, Psychic.
Water.
Oh, yeah!
Why were you lucky like
1 point kay Daddy. Okay,
Mama.
pao mo.
It's not a god pack. Jigglypuff.
Jigglypuff.
Bloom.
Gloom.
Blueberry.
Oh,
Charmander.
is it a sign? Is it a sign?
It said life.
Is it a sign? Oh my gulay.
Dormat. Fat guy.
The fat guy.
Paldean Torius.
Taurus.
Torius.
Ludicolo. Ludicolo. Ganda
Ludicolo.
nito, extra heal. Oh,
Yung
Hunter.
This
Oh,
one.
Reverse Halo Hunter. Ayan na.
Ha?
Diyan na magkakaliman. Oh, Reverse Halo. Creamy.
Wait,
And
it makes like a green sparkle. You see?
oh, regular rare Moltres.
Wow, the feeling lucky
Nakabili rin ako ng isang pack from Data Blitz. But unfortunately, wala rin na ano. So, that's my turn. Sige, alis ka muna dito, Charizard and Lucky Cat. Pagulungin natin yung Lucky Cat natin. Woo! Shoutout sa mga Hot Wheel community brothers natin na help us pick it up. Nasa cashier na kami, pero hinabol pa sa akin to para mabili namin to.
Maybe that thing is the opponent of this Moltres because it says your opponent is an active EX.
Anyway,
Maybe that's an
alright.
EX.
My Phantasmal Flame. So, pangatlong pack na namin ito nabubuksan. Isa from Data Blitz. Ito sa 7-Eleven. Again, maraming salamat kay Sir Ace. Dahil binilihan niya tayo. Siyempre, binayaran natin siya. At maraming salamat sa tulong. Dahil nagkaroon tayo ng pack ng
Daddy, let's
Phantasmal
open one
Flame.
more pack.
Kasi, laging nauubos. Laging
Guess
nauubos.
the
Okay.
energy.
Guess the energy.
Fire.
Ako fire din. And, Psychic ulit. Tingnan nga natin kung
Good
meron
or
to.
bad news?
Charmander,
Charmander here.
Sableye,
Saber.
Duraludon,
Duraludon.
Piloswine,
Swine.
Lokix. Parang bago sa akin to.
Insect.
Bronzong,
Alien.
Don, Lord,
Just
Reverse Halo,
just
Darmitan,
make it
and
roll with feeling lucky.
okay, kay Lucky Cat. Punta kay Lucky Cat. Kay Lucky Cat. At kay Charizard. Yan, tingnan natin. And kung meron ka niya! Oh no! Oh no!
EX.
Oh no! Anyway, Reverse Halo Jigglypuff and
I was correct.
Mega Sharpedo EX. I think everyone who bought this set had pulled this one.
Hey, look, it says a pack of
Almost
EX.
all. I think almost all people who bought the set got this one. So again, shout out kay Sir Ace for having nagkaroon tayo ng ano. Actually, meron pa tayong packs dito.
Let's
Pero
open.
syempre hindi natin bubuksan lahat
This one,
kasi meron pa tayong mga packs dito.
this one my pack.
Meron pa tayong packs dito na pwede natin buksan.
This one my pack.
O, sige, kuha ka ng isa.
Charizard.
Sige, ako kayo.
Nal
Sige, akin to. Kasi bitin. Bitin talaga magbukas. So,
Me
Anyway.
first as always, okay? Thank you. We got a Shark EX.
well, I think nakatulong din tong mga ano natin, mga kung ano natin.
It never helped. Does it even help?
I don't know. Maybe,
It
I
only
don't
helped us
know.
getting EX.
Malay mo, di ba? We never know. So, syempre, lagyan natin siya ng sleeve. Nawawala yung perfect sleeve ko, kaya dito muna tayo sa penny sleeve muna para protected ang
Penny
ating ano.
Steve.
Penny sleeve or standard fit.
Pennywise.
Ito, tatago na natin to. Pero may parating pa tayo, so magbubukas pa tayo ulit. Ano, anytime now.
Anytime now. Fuck. Yeah.
Ha? Sabi mo?
Anytime now. Fuck. What?
Sige.
What?
Ilabas mo yung kamay mo, di ka nakikita.
It's not a god pack. No. Very bad. Guess the energy.
Fire.
Sidekick again.
Lightning. Ano bang merong
It
lightning
matches with the Pikachu's. Lotad.
Oh.
Penguin. Pomo. Charchadet. Mount Tusk.
Mamoswine.
Meletop.
Molieta.
Meloetta.
Meloetta.
Scares Charm. Infernal Slash.
Secret Charm. Anong Scared Charm?
Wait.
Man.
Evolution.
Sige na.
Hey! Wait, that's the EX!
Yeah.
That's the EX!
Mm.
That's the EX!
Mm.
Yeah!
It's not the chase. It's not the chase.
Hey, but it's Charizard.
At least it's 2 out of 3.
It's Charizard.
2 out of 3. Yeah. I think it's
But
okay.
it's Charizard. Mega
Charizard.
Charizard E. What's X?
Charizard.
Mega Charizard XEX.
X kasi X and Y yan eh. Okay. Last pack for me.
But
Last
I
pack
want
for
it.
me. So, we opened 3 packs, now 4. So, 2 out of 3. Isang butaw, dalawang paldo. Tingnan natin.
Butaw King in Ramenagi.
Tingnan natin kung makakuha pa tayo ng isa.
Imagine we get the Charizard SIR.
Alright. Yun nga ang hinahabol natin. Anyway, fire energy. Ikaw.
Blue water.
Water.
Ha,
Ano?
Irene, 1-1. Ha, 1-1 na tayo.
Mercery.
Dog.
Smeargle. Todimaru.
Mouse.
Longbrain.
Tadpole.
Battle Cage. Granbull. Sirolge.
Scary.
Sirlorge, diba? Reversalo Nimble and man.
Punk helmet. It's very
Punk
punk.
helmet and 2 out of 2.
Looks like it's a type for us.
2 out of 2. Alright.
Right?
2 out of 2.
Do you want more battles or not?
2 out of 2. Okay, let's open. Let's open the last. Last two battle. Mamili ka dyan. Wala. Butaw.
Butaw King.
Dalawang butaw.
Do you smell a god pack here?
Anyway,
Do
sige
you
na.
smell a god pack?
Ano natin? I-marinate natin to dito.
I think that will help.
I-marinate natin tong ating pack dito.
You're giving your pack a luxurious life before it gets open.
Anyway.
Anytime now.
So, 2 out of 2. Si Sir Ace, out of the 9 packs, I think 5 packs nakuha niya. 8 packs. 8 packs, 5 hits.
Help. The first time ever I need help. I will win this game.
Alright. So, dalawang EX card ang nakuha natin.
Just the energy.
Fire. Lapit mo, di ba?
Leap.
Metal.
Steel.
Oh, steel, metal. Sable Eye.
Gem Stealer.
Duraludon.
Dragon.
Piloswine.
Instinct Animal.
Charmeleon. May Charmander, Charmeleon, Charizard. EX. Baka ito na yun? Is this it?
Move.
Is this it? Is this it?
Ice Cream.
Is this it?
Hunter.
Ay, wala na. Ay na. Ay. Yan yung rare mo eh. Oh,
Wait, what?
teka. Reverse hollow. But rare. What?
Ay!
Anyway. Tingnan natin. Baka meron dyan.
Wait,
Tingnan na.
look. Star na to.
Kaya nga, rare na to eh. Ba't nandyan? Oh, double rare. You have 2 rare in your pack.
I win.
Pero walang hit.
I win if you
2
don't get...
rares in 1 pack. 2 rares in 1 pack.
Did I
Naku
see
po.
the 2 years? Did I see the
dalawan.
2 years?
Wait lang. Dalawa na tayo.
Could I see the 2 years?
Okay. Pagulungin natin ulit. Whee! Oh my. Oh my. That's the 5th pack. Dalawang. Oh my. Hindi talaga tayo magaling maghanap ng ano. Pinapili naman tayo ni Sir eh. Kaso, wala nang siguro talaga akong luck.
Maybe that will...
Oh my gosh.
Maybe I think we already got a Charizard. Right here.
Anyway, this is our last pack until we get the pack that binilihan tayo natin mga kasama sa Pokemon community. So, Fire Energy.
Leap.
Water
Water.
ulit.
I pick water. I
Okay.
win.
Charcadet. Yamper. Snubbull.
Yapper.
Murkrow.
Bupu.
Darmanitan. Linon. Ano to? Linone. Linowan. Linone.
Cut.
Battle Cage and
Find a friend.
Todemaru and oh!
What?
Illustration rare Yamper and Rashiram. Well,
Pretty good.
3 out of 6, so 3 hits in 6 packs.
Put that 2 sleeves. That's an illustration.
Yeah.
Put it 2 sleeves, not
It's still a
one.
good card, but it's not the chase card that I want. So
Daddy.
3 hits out of 6 packs.
Just put another
3,
sleeve.
4,
That's illustration.
5, 6 packs. 6 packs out of 3 hits. Oh my. Yun lang. So that's it for today. Again, I'm Michael.
And Ray.
And welcome to
Diva's
Diva's Realm. Card
Toys.
and Travel.
Travel.
Ano ba? Ayaw mo bang ano? So, that's it. Bye.
Haha.